Am I taping? Yes. Hey guys. So I removed a few videos about stuff on YouTube. I can't stand it. It's toxic. Um, don't have a screenplay. What I did when I can't, I have no access to my Facebook. I've tried. It's just impossible to get back on there. So I know there's a link to this on there. So what I posted about the lawsuit, I'll just give an update. I sent it over to Gordon and Partners attorneys. Hopefully they could do something with it. If not, I'll just file my own suits, which I did via electronics, but I haven't actually gone to the Supreme Court, so I'll get that done if they don't take the case. But I think I mentioned, or I think it's on my Facebook, where you could read how the driver of the bus who exited the bus, so we rolled down a mountain in a blizzard, and I got up to stop the bus and saved everyone. Everyone else got paid in 2022 via the Secretary of State. Why? I have no idea, because it was a movie shoot, so it's awfully strange, but that's not, that's for someone to investigate, not me. And the other thing was, on the New York police report, they had New York State police report. It had, what do you call it? The driver who everyone else sued and deposed, not as my driver. So I had two lawyers both suing the wrong driver, who did nothing wrong. No wonder why I was thrown out. And the bus company, who did nothing wrong, because everyone got paid via Secretary of State. Why the Secretary of State was up on a mountain shooting a movie with me, I have no idea. This was 2022. I mean, one woman literally settled for $4 million for anxiety. Yeah, I had surgeries, procedure after procedure, because I got up, so I got knocked around the bus. But not the bus company's fault. So two attorneys managed to sue the wrong parties and said I was part of the third party lawsuit, but I wasn't. So, and one was a district attorney, so I'm kind of grossed out. But I have all the documents because the bus company was kind enough to provide them, considering they were getting a bad name for no reason. The two attorneys, I want nothing to do with them, but if they try to put a lien on it, obviously then we'll have to sue them as well for not suing the correct parties. Strange. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, so I said the driver. They have depth every single case. There's 30 dudes that were able to retire after this one, like from 4 million up in 2022. And the only person who got up to like save their asses, she got screwed over. So the what do you call it? The driver, literally, they have driving a Toyota Camry and not the bus, and something like it's just pure fraud at this point. So hopefully someone will want to do something about this. It makes at the very least the fraudulent parts of it. And I had gone to Center Street. I had gone to the district attorney's office. The cops that work there, in the what do you call it? The grants, whatever it is, or the police precinct that is right under the district attorney's office. They could not get one district attorney to see me. Not one. Uh, I don't understand that. How do you get justice when the justice system is clearly broken? So, be mindful, question authority, because something's broken clearly. So I'll pursue the cases. If this law firm doesn't take it, I have it with another law firm. I sent them all the documents. They have them. I dropped them off in person. And if neither one want to take it, then I'll just bring it to the Supreme Court, file it. I literally could pro se this because I have it's just straight up fraud. Every other case you see blah 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 blah, all these depositions, whatnot, and payments, and on mine you see nothing. You see Patricia Hayes versus two other parties that weren't even at fault, yet no one figured that out in my case. But in every other case they did, and received millions of dollars, and once again settled in 2022. Once again, why? Via the Secretary of State. right on the documents. I, you know, it's weird. But again, I'm not an investigator, so someone will investigate it for me. I hope Gordon and Partners takes it. And yeah, and sues the correct driver, who's an MTA authority driver, I was told. So they gave me all the information just a few months ago, because this thing's going on since 2019. However, if you look on Trellis or any of those websites that cover cases, you'll see it was thrown out. It was disposed in 2023. I didn't even know. I still had an attorney, so lots of fraud going on. Anyway, I promised I'd act professional today. All right, I got things to do. I wanted to update you. My Facebook, I cannot, no matter what I do, get back on there for some reason. I have tried selfies, they won't allow it. I have tried speaking to them like this. They keep saying it's not me. I'm like, oh, that's me. I don't look that much different, even though I'm lot, a lot older, like 2-3 decades older. I don't look that much different, I must say. But anyway, all right, so that's all I got. When I have an update, I'll let you know. I'm hoping Gordon and Partners take it. I feel like it's like, they got a good group over there, one big happy family. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye.